I came to Hocking College because it was such a unique school and it's so premier. All of my friends and family that have done anything wildlife related have always recommended coming here for it because it's such a unique school.
I absolutely love the program. I love that we go outside for every single class that we have.
And that's really how I like to learn. I like to learn on a first-hand basis. I want to be out there looking at the trees and hearing the birds in the trees and stuff like that.
I came to Hocking because it was really the only college that had what I was looking for in a program. It had all the hands-on things, it had the experience that I needed, and it was a 2-year program, so I could actually, get out and get into the world and the workplace like a lot faster.
Some of the benefits is that the professors that you're working with have experience in the field and they know people, they have connections, and they're always asking the professors if there's anyone that they would recommend as a new hire or someone to reach out to talk about working with them.
The professors are very able to work with you. If you put in the effort, they'll put just as much effort back into your education as you are into your own.
All of us that are faculty members have worked in the profession for up to 10 years or more prior to coming here, so we sort of understand what the industry is looking for in a skilled employee that's coming out of this program. So we're really cutting out the fluff and teaching what they need to be qualified and get that job at the end of the day.
It's teaching me a lot of practical things that I could use anywhere. So I could easily be out in the woods just on a hike by myself, not necessarily for a job, but just for personal enjoyment. It's just something that kind of enhances my everyday life.
People that want to hire someone with education and experience, they'll often pick students from Hocking College even if they don't have experience outside of the college, because our education is experience. It is hands-on work.
You're getting that attention from your professor, you're getting help, you're getting all the resources that you need, and you're in the Hocking Hills is where we're located, so you're getting all of this variety of different animals and birds and trees, and
it's really just wonderful to be out here in nature.